Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू चलाती हूँ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू मेक लाइफ सिंपलर एंड ईजियर। आज हम करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ की ट्रिक। दिस इज़ आजकल कोरोना वायरस की वजह से हम सारी जगह बहुत सारी क्लीनिंग करते हैं एक्स्ट्रा, जैसे कोई बाय चांस घर पे आता है, बाहर से आता है, हम जहाँ कपड़े रखते हैं, लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस वी डू एक्स्ट्रा क्लीनिंग, और उसके लिए बहुत यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट है लाइजॉल वाइप्स। लाइजॉल वाइप्स जहाँ जो कंट्रीज़ में नहीं अवेलेबल है और जो कंट्रीज़ में अवेलेबल है अभी बिल्कुल सेम सीन है हर जगह, बिकॉज लाइजॉल वाइप्स हैव बीन सोल्ड आउट। तो आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कि लाइजॉल वाइप्स हम घर में ही, जो घर पे ऑलरेडी चीज़ें हैं हमारे पास, या जो चीज़ें अभी भी मार्केट के आयल्स पे मिल जाएंगी, उससे आप कैसे बना सकते हैं। सो विदाउट एनी अडू, लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू मेक द लाइजॉल वाइप्स at home. For today's recipe, what we need is these wipes or kitchen towels, little bit of vinegar, an empty box with a cover, with a lid, and some Lysol. If you do not have Lysol, then you can use dishwashing soap and some fragrance like some essential oil. And if you have this, then it really takes care of both, so we will use this. So, and most importantly, a board and a knife. So let's begin. First step is about choosing the right wipe. It cannot be the usual, it needs to be a paper towel. You cannot use like the wipes. So you can't use a toilet paper because toilet paper is really soft. If you wash, put some water. So your criteria should be to get something on which when you put water, it shouldn't just dissolve. You can still use it. So I prefer this paper towel. This is like a cloth one, and this is a washable paper towel. So it's really nice. I use it for my kitchen work because I can reuse it as well. But this one, for this particular purpose of making our Lysol wipes, will actually really helpful, our disinfectant wipes. So first select the perfect one, and then what you have to do is use this knife and cut it into two. So after literally fighting with this roll, I've been able to cut it into two halves. So we'll just take one for now. So as you can see, there is a cardboard in between. What we want to do is want to remove this because we don't want any of the solution to be soaked by the cardboard. It should be soaked only by these wipes. So let's get rid of it. After getting rid of it, it's going to look something like this, and have pulled out the center opening so that it's easy to pull it out. So this is now ready. Now let's get into making the solution. We're first going to start by using this Lysol cleaner. As I mentioned before, if you do not have the Lysol cleaner, then you can put in a little bit of your dishwashing liquid. So this is what I'm using. If you can see, it's a very small amount. And then we will be adding some, as you would have noticed, if you use these liquids, these disinfectant liquids, then they're already really soapy. So you don't need to add soap, that's why. And if you don't like the fragrance, then you can also add any oil, essential oil. So right now I'm just using this particular thing, and also adding a little bit of vinegar to it. This is some white vinegar. It's almost equal amount of that. And throwing in a little bit of water. And then what we need to do next is to put in our roll. Now we're just going to put this roll inside here. You could either do this, or you could make the solution outside and then pour it on top of it. Either way, this is going to absorb it, and it's going to be fine in a couple of, if you leave it overnight, it's going to be fine. It would have absorbed all the liquid. But if you would like to do it the other way around, you can take out the liquid separately and then put it in this as well. So you just need to pull it out from here, tear it, and use it. You can also pour in some liquid like this on top, just to make it wet. And now you can see, you can feel, this exactly feels like the wipe, the disinfectant wipe. So guys, I hope you like this video. You do not have to panic. There's always a DIY to help you out. If you have more DIYs, please do mention the links in the comments below so that everybody who reaches this video also reaches more DIYs. It's a tough time, it's a tougher time for the entire world, and let's help each other, and that's all we need to do right now. Till next time, this is your Tech Boo signing off.